Cañón de Gibraltar. You all set, Murph?
Stagger 1-3, this is Hemlock. I'm your three-letter specialized skills officer. Be advised, Carter and Espina are heading down towards Old Town. Once you've joined them, all last of the PAX TOC. Intelligence reports a PAX commander at the target.
Roger that.
And you'll be part of the beach landing. The Maker's under attack! Disembark now!
Marines, get in! We need to get clear of the ship now!
I got the turret! Just made it out.
Copy. Okay, back to defensive positions. Move on to your objective in Old Town.
Roger.
Oh, fuck! The Maker is going down! Make it right! Straighten it up! We got mines in the water! Take him out! One on the head! Protect the air track! Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2 inbound. One mic for the BOS! Under heavy fire! Deploy smoke! Approaching the beach! Taking fire from the beach! Holy smoke, that was close!
Ready for beachhead!
On the beach! Contact front. Engaging.
First wave of troops deployed! Advancing! Push through their defenses!
Bravo 4 hit. Repeat, Bravo 4 is hit.
They're using tone! Incoming! We're hit!
Shit! Stone! Lopez! Eyes front!
Perfect! Multiple targets ahead! Mark! They got 18 of those bunkers! Clear them out!
Working on it!
Enemy 12 o'clock! Engaging! We got multiple hostiles incoming! Lay down suppressor fire! Take out those launchers!
These fuckers ain't giving up easy!
They're going back! Advancing! Look, there's more! Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, inbound north. Time on target 1 mic. Payload release in 30 seconds. Over. Taking fire! Contact right! This position is heavily fortified. Put suppressive fire on it now! Take the close! Ceasefire! Friendly to the AO! Jesus! Cast cutting it close! We got friendlies pushing through! Covering fire! Contact 12 o'clock! We're taking damage! We got friendlies under fire! They're getting chewed up! We got an RPG on our right!
Fuck! Head down! Stone! Hold us here!
Coming in from our flank!
Look! We got casualties!
Multiple hostiles, 3 o'clock! I'm going out there! Dropping red! Moving to the wounded! Cover me! First, I need a clear lane to load up the wounded on the Amtrak! I'll cover you! Multiple hostiles incoming! I can't get him to the track! Take out those tangos!
We got friendly over pushing in low. Now's your chance!
Stone, I can't move him forward! Head towards me! Taking fire! Get in the Amtrak! All hostiles down, we're clear! Glenn, go, go, go! We need to get these dudes to the CCP!
Negative! Patch them up best you can, Low. Stone! Take them on to CCP after we've linked up with the rest of Dagger.
Copy!
unit you with?
They just lit us up. We were the first wave. They just tore right through us. It was a shooting gallery.
Rest of your unit get off?
I'm the only one who made it. It's just me.
Just breathe. You'll need your strength when it hits you. Trust me.
Coming up to the link up, boys! Gear up! Looks hot!
Stone! What do you got?
Dismount!
Hey, keep pressure on this wound.
Go! I'll get him to the CCP!
Clear ramp! Clear ramp! Commit fire!
Big man, the toes! Murphy, take him out!
Not advanced with anti-tank in the AO. Switching to holding position.
Murph, take out that artillery! We need Charlie 5 in the fight!
Toes down!
Charlie 5, toes are down. You're clear to move in.
Copy, Dagger 1-3. Advance.
Target above, neutralized!
Charlie 5 engaging.
Reloading! Keep him off me!
Multiple enemies. Opening fire. Moving.
Engage!
Hostile spotted. Engaging. Charlie 5 on the move.
Heads up! Watch out!
Kill confirmed! We got hold of it, Volga! RPG if you need it! Reloading! Keep them off me! Doing frag!
Weapons free.
Copy.
Enemy shot! Enemy close!
Sending frag!
Get down!
Elevated target eliminated!
We're clear. Hemlock. We've linked up with Murphy and Lopez.
Copy. Provide an escort for Charlie 5. Post the TOC with extreme vigilance. Intel suggests it's heavily defended.
You heard the man. RZ on Charlie 5. Keep it active while we advance the TOC. Move!
Make contact once you secure the objective. Hemlock out.
Crimson Team, this is Knock. We're in position, over.
All units, report status, over.
Objective is to escort Charlie 5 to the once we found our overwatch, we move on the compound and secure that plan.
Good to have your support, Dagger. Packs are dug in around here, using the buildings for cover. Perfect for an ambush. Roger that. Raiders, stand high and low. Cover your sectors.
Contact! Enemy in cover!
Clear! Tossing frag!
Keep that armor moving!
Copy. firing!
On it! Taking damage.
Prepare Charlie 5!
Engineer, KIA!
Building's coming down!
Get caught up in it!
We're clear. You're good to go, Charlie 5. Moving.
Picked up radio shot. Pack is dug in ahead.
Building up ahead!
Windows!
Sniper eliminated!
Let's be on our flank!
Hostile down!
Down that MRAP! Get down!
Nice work, Murph.
Launcher! On the rooftop!
We can't take much more damage!
That track is
The route's blocked. Down the stairs, through the alleyway. Push through. Copy.
Ambush!
We're taking heavy fire! Dagger! Protect Charlie 5!
We're clear!
You can advance, Charlie 5.
Negative, Dagger 1-3. We cannot advance until all hostiles in the immediate area are down.
Roger.
Dagger, clear the streets. Ammo crate, load up. Grenade inbound. Grenade inbound.
Tossing frag!
Get down, grenade! Anyone got eyes on them?
Engage!
Affirmative.
Have to reload! Is he being shot?
Reloading!
Raiders, all hostiles eliminated. Link up back at Charlie 5.
RPG
Dagger! Lancer! Where's McIntyre? He's advancing on the enemy position! Fuck! Armor! Get the cover, Marines! Fight the enemy! Use the building! Charlie 5, hold position.
Holding.
Take out that armor before it weighs us down! Kill us all!
Enemy armor is out of the fight!
There! Charlie 5, all enemies eliminated. Advance!
Moving, Dagger 1-3.
contact.
Roger, Dagger 1-3, holding back and we'll wait for your order.
Guys, we got stairs here.
Marines, with me. Move up.
With you. Moving up.
Stay alert. Scan the windows and rooftops. Cover your sectors.
Scanning high.
I got low. We need to find that overwatch position.
There's no route through.
Found an opening.
Should immediately gather essential items and proceed to designated channels.
Imagine leaving everything behind, just like that.
You think they made it out?
Dagger, through here.
I got rear.
Boss, 12 o'clock. Isn't that...
McIntyre.
How the fuck they get him? And where's the rest of Lancer?
No fucking way.
What are we looking at?
There. Between those pillars.
Got him.
I got the shot. Just say the word.
Negative. The amount of firepower down there, they'd carve us up and need backup. Charlie 5, this is Dagger 1-3. Over.
Charlie 5, send it.
Confirmed. Hostiles at target location.
Copy that, Dagger. Flanking from the east. Give the order and we'll push through.
Copy, Charlie 5. Friendlies in the area. Wait for my call.
Roger that.
Murphy, tell me there's a way down.
Square's covered. Looks like weapons and ammo.
Weapons cache. Pax is covering.
Copy.
Any way to make it to McIntyre?
We got options. Fuck ton of packs to push through. God damn it.
Talk to me.
McIntyre's gone. No mercy.
All right, listen up, Raiders. Securing this fob is our top priority. Let's not make it personal. Let's move fast. Let's move decisive. Take clear shots. Check your ammo. Dagger on my 6.
Roger that.
Let's go. Charlie 5, you are cleared to move in.
Roger that, Dagger 1-3. Coming in from your 3 o'clock. Enemy armor, south of the square. Maintaining defensive position.
We need to clear the way for Charlie 5.
Sniper neutralized!
Right on target.
Target above! Neutralized! Gotta take this.
Need patching up!
Keep going. Don't let up. Stay with me.
Appreciate it!
Moving on the objective.
We lost Charlie 5.
Tango above down!
Murphy, we gotta move. Get inside the TOC.
Murphy on that position.
Weapons free!
Copy. Contact! Contact high! Murph, on point! Push up the stairs!
Let's find that command room.
Reload the gun.
What's in here? Cover me, reloading!
Initiate contact.
Enemy in cover.
Cover me while I reload! Target above neutralized! Target above neutralized! Weapons free! Reloading! Keep them off me! Sending frag!
Push across, Marines. That asshole might still be here.
Cover me. Contact.
On the move!
On your right! Shotgun!
Commence!
Roger that.
Changing!
Clear.
Room's clear. Conduct SSE. Bunker's gone!
Passed. Looks like our right is here.